If we could count all the animal species that are on the planet now, you would have an approximate amount of 8.7 million. There are animals spread out on all 7 continents, with some holding way more than others. With so many species from all over the world, there are bound to be a few of them that you are not familiar with. Join us, as we learn about 5 animals that you've probably never heard of. For the first animal on our list, the ardwolf. The ardwolf is an insectivorous hyaenid species, native to East and Southern Africa. The ardwolf resembles a very thin striped hyena, but with a more slender muzzle, black vertical stripes on a coat of yellowish fur, and a long, distinct mane down the midline of the neck and back. The mane is raised during confrontations to make the ardwolf appear larger. The ardwolf is about 22 to 31 inches long, excluding its bushy tail, which is about 8 to 12 inches long, and stands about 16 to 20 inches tall at the shoulders. They weigh approximately 15 to 22 pounds, with some reaching up to 33 pounds. The ardwolf feeds primarily on termites and more specifically on trinerviterms, and can survive up to 18 years in captivity. Next up, the Sunda flying lemur. The Sunda flying lemur is the sole colugo species of the genus Galeopterus. It is native to Southeast Asia from southern Myanmar, Thailand, southern Vietnam, Malaysia to Singapore and Indonesia. The head body length of Sunda flying lemur is about 13 to 17 inches. Its tail length measures 7 to 10 inches long, and its hind legs measure between 2.6 to 2.9 inches and weighs 2 to 3 pounds. Its diet consists mainly of leaves, and it usually consumes leaves with less potassium and nitrogen-containing compounds, but with higher tannin. This species can survive up to 18 years in captivity. Up next, the common raccoon dog. The common raccoon dog is a small, heavy-set, fox-like canid, native to East Asia. Named for its raccoon-like face markings, they have long torsos and short legs. Total lengths can range from 18 to 28 inches. The tail, at 4.7 to 7.1 inches long, is short, amounting to less than a third of the animal's total length and hangs below the tarsal joints without touching the ground. Weights fluctuate according to season. In March they weigh up to 6.6 pounds, while in August to early September, males average 4 to 15 pounds, with some individuals attaining a maximal weight of 20 to 22 pounds. Common raccoon dogs are omnivores that feed on insects, rodents, amphibians, birds, fish, reptiles, mollusks, crabs, sea urchins, human garbage, carrion, and eggs, as well as fruits, nuts, and berries, and can survive up to 11 years in captivity. For our next entry, the pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest species of armadillo, and is endemic to the deserts and scrublands of central Argentina. They range from 3.5 to 4.5 inches long, and typically weigh about 4.2 ounces. Ants and larvae are its main food source while underground. While those are its primary sources of food, the armadillos are known to also eat worms, snails, and various insects, and can live 5 to 10 years in the wild. For our final entry, the margay. The margay is a small wild cat native to Central and South America. A solitary and nocturnal cat, it lives mainly in primary evergreen and deciduous forests. It weighs from 6 to 9 pounds, with a body length of 19 to 31 inches and a tail length of 13 to 20 inches. Dietary studies based on stomach contents and fecal analysis showed that it feeds on small mammals including monkeys, birds, eggs, lizards, tree frogs and arthropods, and have been reported to live more than 20 years. So, what did you think of some of these animals? Were any of them new to you? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.